Let's begin with discussing this convention that we used and what we mean by mixed number and mixed number notation. So let's look at what I have here. I have here a whole number 5 plus a proper fraction 1/3. So look at this expression, 5 plus 1/3. 5 is the whole number and I'm adding to it a proper fraction. 5 plus, so that's how I have 5 plus 1/3. And we know what 5 plus 1/3 is. It is a specific point on the number line. It comes after 5, to the right of 5 on the number line, and it's between 5 and 6. We can intuitively see that. And here's the mixed number notation. Whenever we have this kind of an expression, a whole number plus a proper expression, proper fraction, it's an agreed upon convention to simply skip this plus sign, erase it out, and write it as 5, nothing there, and then 1/3. This can be a very confusing notation, just writing a whole number and then right next to it a proper fraction. So once we focus our attention and understand this convention, that any time you see a whole number and right next to it a proper fraction, you are to interpret this as 5 plus 1/3. That is all there is to it. And this 5 1/3 is called a mixed number. Mixed because it's got a little, this is a number and it's got a whole number to it, and there's also a proper fraction to it. And a mixed number 5 1/3 simply means 5 plus 1/3. And it's important to point out that we only condense this expression into mixed number when we have a whole number and a proper fraction. So in other words, if we had 5 and this expression 5 plus 11/3, we will not be writing it as 5 11/3. That is not the convention. The convention is only, this convention applies only when you have a whole number and a proper fraction. Only in that case can we erase out this plus sign. Here we cannot erase out this plus sign. So keep that in mind.